I wanna show you how to add animation photos with Parallax in Premiere Pro. Let's go! First of all, I have already added my picture to my timeline. In my case, the duration of the effect is around 6 seconds. Then, go to the effects control and increase the scale of the picture to 250. Next, duplicate the clip holding Alt and dragging it up to create a copy of the track above. Select the top layer and go to the effects control. Under the opacity, choose the pen tool. Use the pen tool to draw a mask around the subject that you want to isolate, completing the outline by connecting back to your starting point. Still in the effects control, adjust the mask feather to 75 and set the mask expansion to 25. Now, activate the keyframes by clicking the stopwatch icon next to scale, move your timeline to the end of the clip, and increase the scale to 300. Go back to the start of the clip, select the bottom one, and again in the effects control, enable the keyframes of the scale. Move to the end of the timeline and set the scale to 190. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.